In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use generative fill in Adobe Express. So you can generate images and you can then use generative fill to add or remove specific parts of the image. So it may be on the home page. You may be able to click Generate with AI or go to the Generate with AI tab, and that should open up here your options. So I'm going to generate from this section here, but you can click on Generate with AI. In fact, we'll click on Generate with AI, we'll go Generate Image, and then I'll demonstrate it from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type out a prompt. We'll just type a British man drinking a cup of tea, and we'll see what Adobe Express AI can cook up for that. So we're going to keep the reference images and the composition on default. We're not going to add any. We are going to change the content type though to photo, and we're going to leave everything else the same. And once we've got an image, we'll use generative fill to add or remove something. So this is live. I don't really know what we're going to add or remove right now, but this is a demonstration of Adobe Express and how we can use it. So here we've got a very British man drinking a cup of tea. We've also got some other options here. So I'm going to go with this guy, I reckon. Okay, so now let's use generative fill. So to do that, you want to click on your image, and then what we can do, we can remove the background, we can remove objects, or we can insert objects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually insert an object, and let's think of what we can add here. So maybe we'll add a British flag to the cup. So I'm going to describe what we want to see. So I'm going to put a British flag, and then we're going to change the brush size here, and you just kind of want to paint over where you want the generative image to appear. So we'll just make one click and we'll put it there, and we'll see how good of a job it does. We'll then click insert and we'll see if it works. Okay, so image number 1 was terrible. Image number 2 was also terrible, but image number 3 kind of gave us a better idea of what it could look like. We'll generate more and we'll see if there's a better one. So we're going to go with this one. It is the English flag. We'll click keep, and there you go. We've now, I guess, got the English flag on our image. Now, you can use this for many different things. There are many different use cases. For some reason, we might want to add, like, I don't know, maybe let's add a spot or a cut on his head. So we'll add a scratch from a cat. We'll click insert and we'll see if it does a good job of this. Now, I've had mixed results with this. Sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't. What is that? Here, as you can see, it's not doing too good. This second one looks okay, but you can change these and you can change the prompt and try and play around with it. This one looks okay as well. But once you're happy with your image and you've customized it, you can then just go and download it by clicking download in the top right hand corner. And that is essentially how you can generate images and use generative fill on Adobe Express.